In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add mask in InVideo. If you've ever wanted your image to take on a clean circle, a sleek diagonal slice, or a stylish frame without manually cutting it out, masks are exactly what you need. They let you place an image inside a shape so it instantly looks polished and intentional, perfect for profiles, product highlights, and modern layouts. First, log into InVideo. Use a stable internet connection and make sure you're signed into the correct account so your media library and projects are right where you expect them. Once you're in, open your project. From the dashboard, pick the project you want to work on and give it a moment to load. When the canvas and timeline appear, you're ready to build. To add a mask, head to the left side toolbar and click on Elements. This is where InVideo keeps shapes, stickers, overlays, and more. Inside this panel, look for the Masks section. Depending on your layout or theme, it may be grouped alongside other shape tools. If you don't see it immediately, scroll through the categories or type Mask in the search field to jump straight to it. The goal here is simply to locate the selection of mask shapes. Once you're in the mask section, select the shape you want. Think about the vibe you're going for. Circles feel friendly and clean, rectangles are straightforward and versatile, and more stylized shapes add energy and movement. Click and drag your chosen mask onto the canvas. When it lands, use the bounding box handles to resize it and position it where you want it to appear in your layout. If you're lining things up with other elements, keep an eye on the snap guides to maintain consistent spacing. Now drag the image you want directly onto the mask. Hover the image over the shape on the canvas until you see a highlight or snap indication, then release to place it inside the mask. If the image doesn't clip on the first try, simply drag it again and drop it squarely onto the shape. After it's inside, you can adjust the image so the most important part is visible. Move it within the frame and scale it until it fits neatly without cutting off key details. That's all you need. Log into InVideo, open your project, click Elements, find the Mask section, choose your shape, drag it onto the canvas, and then drag your image onto the mask to clip it perfectly. Save your progress and repeat the process for any additional masked images you want to add.